What's up guys, Adam Middlesworth here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get $3 seller leads using Facebook ads and Facebook Messenger. We're not going to go to a landing page. We're not going to do any of that. We're going to actually send people in through Facebook Messenger immediately from a Facebook ad, and we're going to give them their home evaluation right in Messenger. So today I'm going to show you kind of a demo of what this looks like. I won't show you the Facebook ad, but you basically create an ad for homeowners, expired listings, for sale by owners, and you go through this and you can give them their home value right in Facebook Messenger. So we're going to dive in here. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So we're going to go in, and what we're going to do is, you're not going to see the get started, but the very first thing they'll see is, hey Adam, let's get your house value. And so they'll just enter in their address. We don't need their city or state. So you can see here I'm typing in the address code here, and then we just press enter. The next thing that we're going to ask is the zip code. So we just ask them, and we give them examples for everything so that it makes sense, right? So we type that in, and then boom, we're going to see if that is correct. So we're going to make sure that that address and that zip code looks right. So if it looks right, they'll say get house value. If it doesn't look right, then they're going to re-enter house value, and they'll go directly to the address question again. And here we just say, awesome, your request for your home value is being processed. It'll be just a few minutes. And we have about a 1 minute delay on that. So we're gonna fast forward here a little bit. And then it'll just pop up, and it will give them the low value from their home and the high value for their home. And then it'll give a 30-day change, right? So you can see your home's value is between this number and the other number. And then below this, you can't quite see it, but it will give the 30-day value change. And so we connect this with Zillow's API, so that automatically goes in and gives the home value, which is pretty cool. So essentially what we can do is automate that whole process, and then after we give them this information, we want to give them a pricing strategy session, or a price opinion from a realtor, right? So you're basically going to get them on a call. We ask them for their phone number directly in through Facebook Messenger, which auto-populates from their Facebook profile, or we can take them to a scheduling tool like Calendly and schedule a call with you, the real estate agent. So we can go from cold lead, Facebook ad to booked appointment directly through Facebook Messenger and Facebook advertising, which is pretty cool. The other thing that you want to kind of do is have this option on your Facebook Messenger. So you'll have a menu. If you've ever used ManyChat before, you can have a menu that would have 3 different options. We're going to have buy a home, sell a home, and get pre-approved. And if they click on any of those, it will take them in through this automation. So you can have a lot of messenger ads going out to the market. You're not going to necessarily have all seller leads going in, but if they're interested in getting that sell a home, right? So for instance, if they go through a listing ad of yours and they're in through Messenger and they see that menu, they're going to see it at the bottom of Messenger. So they can click on buy a home, sell a home, get pre-approved. And if they have a home to sell, they're going to click on sell a home, and they'll go in through this home value messenger, essentially a messenger quiz, a home value, and then go through that pricing strategy session and book a call with you. So guys, if you want something like this, click on the link below. That will take you in through Messenger. I'm just going to ask you a few different questions on what you're doing with Facebook ads right now, and then give you the option to schedule a call with me if it makes sense. We'll go over a demo of what this looks like and see if this would make sense for you and your business. All right, guys, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this Messenger home value, comment in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you like this kind of content, I make new videos every single week on real estate and mortgage marketing. So if you want, subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified when I create a new video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.